Okay, Leonil, I logged in as you, okay? So you asked me Module 1, Unit page 10, okay? So let's take a look at that. Module 1. So we click on Learning Path. Okay. So Module 1, Unit 1. It looks like you finished that, Leonil. Module 1, Unit. Module 1, Unit. You don't say what unit, so maybe let's check Unit 3. Okay. Page 10. Okay, so page 9 and 10 on this are the same, okay? All right, so this is a question. And so there's 1, 2, 3, 4 that you need to do. So there's 4 items, okay? So, so you click and you order the question. What do you think about this? Okay, so that's how you do it. And then you do the next one, the same thing, and then yeah, you're finished. Okay, and then you click finish, and you check your score. If you didn't get them all correct, click try again. Okay. If this is not the same thing on page 10, it's the same thing. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Put in order. Personally, I think you're absolutely right. Okay. So I go. So that's how to do that. If you were talking about, so if we go back to your email on Module 1, page 10. See, the thing is, I don't know which unit you're talking about right here. But I hope that since this is the unit that you haven't completed, that's the one that you were speaking about. Okay. If you need any more help, let me know.